Hi everyone, so today I will be doing an unboxing of a recent bag that I picked up. And the brand that the bag is from is Bottega Veneta. I actually got this bag pre-loved and it came with two shopping bags, which is really nice of them. I really like this bright green color that Bottega uses for their bags, or just for their products. And yeah, I just really like the shopping bags as well. So yeah. This huge shopping bag came with this tiny bag. And this is a bag that has been on my wish list as well. And it is the belt cassette bag. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is what the bag looks like. And it does have this strap. And it comes with this nice white dust bag with this green Bottega Veneta accent. So yeah, I originally wanted the regular cassette bag, but I just wanted to go into the store to see what all the different cassette bags looked like. So I saw the padded cassette bag and the regular cassette bag and the belt cassette bag. So the padded one, I really liked the squishy plush texture, but I didn't like how it opened. So it has like a clasp that you need to like pull down, and I felt like I was using like too much, it was too much effort to open the freaking bag. So I didn't like that aspect, and whenever you try to open it, it would like really wrinkle the bag as well. So I felt like it could damage the bag in the long run. So that's one reason I didn't want the padded cassette bag. And I felt like the padded one, the silhouette was a bit more feminine than what my style is, so I didn't really want that bag. And the regular cassette bag, it was a lot, I liked it a lot more than the padded cassette bag, but I felt like it was a bit big for my taste because I typically don't carry all that much. So that's why I purchased this belt cassette bag. And I was able to find it pre-loved, thank God. And it was, I think it was like $400 or $500 cheaper than the retail price. And it does retail for, I think, $1,200, which is pretty expensive. But thankfully I was able to find it cheaper. So this bag, it opens with a magnetic clasp. And there are two magnets right here. And you just close it and open it like that. I think it closes with a really satisfying click sound, and I really like that sound. And on the inside, it's the same kind of weaving detail. I think it's called like inter. I don't really remember the name, but I'll leave it right here. But it's this really intricate weaving, and on the inside there is a pocket, and the with the little care instruction booklet, and there's not that much space inside, to be honest, but it does fit all of your essentials. So it can definitely fit a phone, and this is the iPhone 11 Pro, but you could honestly fit an iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro as well, because when you put it in, you still have some extra space on the left. So it can definitely fit larger phones as well, and it can fit your wallet, your AirPods, your your keys, hand sanitizer, a mask. So despite the kind of small size, it can surprisingly hold a lot of stuff. So that's another reason why I liked this bag. And this bag, I just really liked the casualness of it. So it definitely isn't like a bag that you would use like for formal occasions, but I mean, I'm not really I don't go to many of those things. Yeah, I just like the effortless kind of casual nature of it. So I just want to mention the quality of Bottega's leather. So I do have bags from other brands like Loewe, Prada, and Celine, but I feel like this leather quality is just the best. First of all, the suppleness is just amazing. It feels just so nice to the touch, and as soon as I opened it, I was hit by that really nice, luxurious leather smell. So yeah, I think out of all the brands that I own, this has the best quality leather. And for styling the bag, I think it really goes with any outfit. It adds a really effortless vibe to your look. And even with something like this that I'm wearing, I think since this is a white bag, it goes well with really any colors. And I feel like for this bag, you can wear really for any season. I think it's just very versatile in that aspect. So yeah, that was a quick unboxing of this belt cassette bag. Leave me any questions you have about this bag. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up if you liked, and subscribe for more videos.